The kitchen is just coming together so beautifully. It's got such a style about it. It's like a little bit feminine, but really high-end and polished. The sconces are just this little moment of very high-end luxury in this kitchen. And then look how cute. And then the back door is just this touch of whimsy. It hits all the right notes. A little bit of pink,
A little bit of
white,
pink. Yes,
brass.
it all comes together.
Yes. And then I'm gonna put a piece of art right here.
That'll definitely set the kitchen off.
These are just old drawings I did, just black ink. It's so timeless. I want to do something like that, maybe with a little bit of color for over the hood vent.
I like it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I start with watercolor paper. I just like to pour water and then drop saturated color into it and let it spread and mix in beautiful ways that are unexpected. Once it dries, then I think about the content that's gonna go on top of the wash. I'm gonna get a Japanese brush and you fill it with India ink, and that's what I'm gonna do the drawings with. And they're gonna be quick, so I'm just gonna do a few and see which one feels like the best fit for her kitchen. We've got some ugly chairs.
No, the chairs themselves are not that bad.
It's the cushions. These are hideous. The silhouette of them kind of reminded me of ebony, very classic feminine, but I think we need like a little something in the entryway.
Little moment.
Yeah.
A little place for her to sit down.
Yeah, and so I got these with the intent to put them together. Got Ben to cut out a piece to go between them.
Yeah.
And now we have a little bench and we're gonna do some upholstery. The first step, we'll wrap the batting around the wood. I've got really pretty fabric. It's got a little pink, a little green. How do we handle the corners? Make a pleat at the end?
Yeah. All right, let's look at it.
Look at that. Woo! Super cute. How's it feel?
Feels really good.
Yeah?
Wait a minute. Here's real life.
It looks really good with your junk piled on it.
Let's screw them together.
Yeah.
It'll be done.
Hey, what do you think?
This is beautiful. Ebony is going to love this.
I'm really proud of it.
Oh, and the drawer pulls.
I mean, it's kind of a rustic piece of furniture, but I wanted to add some, little delicate touches.
Some softness.
It's
Okay,
a pretty piece of furniture.
I want to
isn't
see it in the office.
I love these outdoor curtains.
Mallory's here to help me get everything moved into place. It's always good to test the porch furniture.
Feels pretty good.
It took a while to get here, and now we're here. And tomorrow she comes home. This is that painting I did.
Oh, Erin.
Over the hood vent.
Oh, yeah.
Would be cool.
She's gonna love that.
So this is gonna go right there.
Okay.
This is such a huge life milestone for Ebony. She's moving out of her parents' house and bought her own house. I'm just honored that I got to be a part of making this home for her. She's going to absolutely love this place.
Welcome to the Jonathan house.
Yes! It's so pretty! Oh, how gorgeous!
You like it?
Yes! Oh my gosh! It looks great.
Ebony, I wasn't expecting tears.
I wasn't either. Neither was I. Removing the screens was the big change out here.
Thank you for removing the screens.
We just pressure washed the vinyl, and that changed it so much.
Cleaning.
Yeah, and then giving your front door a whole new look.
I like the door. I like the swing.
Lots of flowers.
I like the flowers and the curtains.
Just softened it and make it feel like a little retreat, right?
It's lovely.
That is so you, Ebony.
Yeah, it was little touches that completely changed the front of the house.
Okay, I really want you to see inside. Are you ready?
I'm
All right.
excited.
Okay,
You're ready, come on.
Here we go.
Welcome home.
Wow.
I'm gonna cry again. It looks so good. The walls are not yellow.
The walls are not yellow.
The bookshelf isn't leaning anymore.
Right. The bookshelf's not leaning anymore because we fixed the foundation.
Foundation is fixed. Yay.
We actually ended up having to rebuild that bookshelf.
It looks fantastic, and I love the floor.
Floors have been refinished. These floors are
Gorgeous.
some of the best ever.
I love the color.
Soft and neutral.
I absolutely love it.
And look at this little bench here. Mallory and I made that for you.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known what to do with furniture in here.
Yeah.
You guys took the guesswork out of it for me.
There you go.
Yeah.
You guys did a fantastic job.
Let's go into the office.
Oh,
Go on in.
nice.
I love it. Very sweet.
Look at that desk.
So I built this desk. The wood for the top is actually from the old Whitfield School. This was the stage in the auditorium.
Oh, how sweet.
That's cool.
But the panels came out. There was a retired school teacher. When the tornadoes came through, her home was demolished. They built her a new house, but this was wainscoting that was in her house.
That is really cool.
Come around here and check it out.
It's custom made for you.
That's why it's so low.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then all the details. But it's totally me. It's Ebony's desk for sure.
You just wanted somewhere where you could work.
It was just a little ragged in here before.
This room is great.
It is great. I love it.
All right, you've only seen like 40% of the house at this point, though.
Okay. There's
So-
more.
Yeah, there's so much more. Let's go to the kitchen.
Let's go. Let's go.
This kitchen is everything.
Oh, how nice.
It does look great.
It does. The door's pink.
And your butler's pantry. So we just added beautiful doors.
It looks great.
So you remember there was that beam that came across here? You may not remember.
It's
so we
gone.
did away with all of
I
that.
forgot.
Just getting rid of the red is what solved
Yes.
a lot.
It makes it bright and open. and
Yeah.
Love the tiled wall.
It's pretty spectacular.
Sconces and the tiled wall are two of my favorite
I
things.
love those sconces.
And I wanted to give you a little piece of art since that's what I do.
That's pretty awesome.
That's a nice touch.
That is cool.
This by far is my favorite part.
This little area.
I love this.
I like that too.
The colors of the counters are nice.
They are. I even love the color of the cabinets. It's all so
nice.
perfect.
You guys did a fantastic job.
The master bedroom and bath are maybe my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, this is you. This is you.
I love it.
Love it. It's so nice.
The walls are not burgundy.
Yeah.
Gone.
Finally.
And painting it changed everything, and
Yeah.
cleaning it
Opened
a
it
lot.
up.
Yeah.
Look at the bed.
Beautiful.
I'm kind of crazy about the bedding.
I
my
like
gosh.
it too. The yellows and the pinks and the natural colors just make it
cute.
Did you realize how huge your bedroom was?
I did not. No.
Huge.
It is a good size,
It's a big bedroom, big windows.
which I really, really like. And once again, you guys have laid it out in a way that I wouldn't have thought about. I love this room.
It's you, sister. It's
Another
you.
ebony room.
I know.
I imagined you waking up on a sunshiny Saturday morning when the sun's streaming through the windows, and I wanted a room that felt like that.
Like a nice, happy Saturday.
Yeah.
Erin, you did it again.
Yes.
Very nice.
And then the bathroom went through a complete change.
I didn't like the bathroom first. Oh my goodness.
The vanity.
Oh, Ebony, this is so elegant.
I wanted it to look like an antique piece of furniture, but with slightly modern lines.
Yeah.
And then we got antique mirror and light fixtures that feel kind of antique. That's
I
so
love
pretty.
it. The bathtub was right over there.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
bathtub was under the window.
We had to make that doorway narrower so we
Okay.
could fit your bathtub and shower on this wall.
Okay.
And that's where that transom went to your front door.
It's perfect on the front door, and so.
Little chandelier.
Oh, that's sweet.
That is so on point for her.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes.
It looks just like ebony as a light fixture.
A little dainty, but a little bit of sparkle.
You captured her.
You did.
I don't mind coming in the bathroom now.